Good afternoon. I thought I'd give back to my community, my friends and family, by sharing my recipe for homemade tortillas in case you run out of them or it's difficult to obtain tortillas or bread or anything else from our stores right now. I wanted to share my recipe. Not really my recipe because I learned from my mother. However, she never measured. She just did a pinch of this, a pinch of that, and her tortillas always turned out great. I measure only because it helps me ensure that they come out soft and tasty every single time. So these are the ingredients that you need. You need all-purpose flour. You need salt. You need baking powder. You need either cooking oil or lard. I prefer the cooking oil only because it's a little bit healthier, not as fattening. However, they taste so much better with lard. So it just depends on what mood I'm in, what I decide to use. You also need a comal, and you need hot water. And your comal needs to be treated. It can't just be a regular comal. You need to, if you have a comal, make sure that you grease it first. And I use about a low to medium heat to ensure that my tortillas don't burn. Anyway, to be continued.